Good afternoon, students. So we were discussing about the nomenclature and classification. So in taxonomy, until now we have finished discussing about the species. So what is a species? Species is a group of similar organisms which can interbreed freely among themselves to produce fertile offspring. So this was about species, and one example which we had discussed was Mangifera indica, where Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, and Panthera. So what happens here is Mangifera, Solanum, and Panthera are the genus, Indica, tuberosum, and Leo are the species. So also we had discussed about the same species, that is Indica, having three genus, that is it can be Rosa indica, Azadiracta indica, and Mangifera indica. So this is what we have discussed until now. So genus is a taxon at a level higher than that of species. Yes. When you had discussed it, when you see the hierarchy, you will see that after genus, there comes species. Okay. After genus, there comes species. So it is a higher level taxon than the species. Okay. Genus is a higher level taxon than the species. Each genus may have one or more than one species. Okay. Each genus may have one species. Okay, or more than one species. Okay, representing different organisms, but having several morphological similarities. One genus can have one or more species. Okay, one genus can have one or more species having several morphological similarities. So what does this point say? So we will discuss this with the example. So here Solanum. Okay, Solanum is nothing but this family comes under potato. Okay, this um, uh, this comes under that family. So Solanum includes species like Nigrum, black nightshade, and Melangena eggplant, that is brinjal. Okay, that is brinjal. So it can be Solanum nigrum, Solanum melongena. Solanum nigrum, Solanum melongena. So it got one species. Okay, it has got one species one genus which includes species like Nigrum and Melangena. So one genus can have one or more species. Okay, one genus also can have one or more species. Similarly, Panthera includes Tigris, Leo, and Pardus. Okay, Panthera includes Tigris, Leo, and Pardus. So this is what one genus, Panthera. It has got different species. That is Tigris, that is tiger, Leo, that is lion, and another one is pardus, that is leopard. Okay, so one genus can have three different species. Okay, one genus can have one or more species. Clear? One genus can have one or more species. What does this point say? Now you understood this. This point says that one genus can have one or more species. Okay, one genus can have one or more species. These are species. These are species. Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, Panthera pardus. Okay, so the same as Solanum. This is Solanum, which includes Nigrum, which includes Melangena. That is brinjal, Melangena. So Solanum, it has got Nigrum, Solanum, Melangena. One genus have two species. One genus have two species. Okay. Now coming to human beings. You know that human beings, the scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens. Okay, scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens. So species sapiens and genus Homo. Okay, species sapiens and genus Homo, only species with single species. Okay, sorry, only genus with single species. Okay, it is typed wrong. Only genus with single species, Homo sapiens. It doesn't have other species because human beings are one and only. Okay, one and only. Whereas the genus, this Panthera genus have other species like Tigris, Leo, Pardus. Whereas here in human beings, this only genus which has single species. Okay, so this is about species. So until now we have discussed about the different example in species, what is species, what are the definition of species, and what are the characteristics. Okay, what are the characteristics in them. Next, coming to genus. We have slightly discussed about genus as well. We have slightly discussed about genus as well in the species. So we'll know what are the characteristics of genus here. A group of related species which has more characteristics in common in comparison to species of other genera. So what is this? What does this point mean here? Okay. So potato, tomato, and brinjal are three different species. Okay. Potato tuberosum, tomato lycopersicum, and brinjal melangina. Okay, brinjal melangina. But all belong to genus Solanum. Okay, all belong to the genus Solanum. Three different species. That is, this is totally different. Yes or no? Potato, different. Brinjal, different. Tomato, different. Lycopersicum is tomato. Okay, tomato, different. So, three different species belong to one single genus, that is Solanum. Where Solanum tuberosum, Solanum lycopersicum, Solanum melangina. Okay, so group of related species. This is a group of related species which are related to one another. Okay, related to one another, which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. So what will happen is they will have some common characteristics in them. Okay, have some common characteristics in them and will belong to one genus. Okay, will belong to one genus. Closely related species. These are closely related species. Will belong to one genus. Okay, these three species or these species, some will, this is only one example given here. There are other examples as well. So this will belong to one genus. Okay. Moving on to the next example, that is of animal. Okay, that was about the plants here. So now coming to the example related to animal, that is lion Panthera leo, leopard Panthera pardus, and tiger Panthera tigris. Okay, lion Panthera leo. Remember the scientific name: lion Panthera leo, leopard Panthera pardus, and tiger Panthera tigris, with several common features, are all species of the genus Panthera. Okay, they belong to one genus, Panthera. So when you write here, Panthera, they have different, the species are Leo, Tigris, and Pardus. One genus, three different species. One genus, three different species. Panthera genus differs from Felis including cats. Okay, that is a different part. Okay, that is a different part. We use Felis genus for cats. Okay, we use Felis genus for cats. So that is a different part where the genus differs. Okay, the genus differs there. Now coming to family. Until now we have discussed species, genus, now coming to family. Remember the hierarchy, kingdom. Remember the hierarchy, or one after one, how the hierarchy is there. Starts from kingdom, ends by species. Okay, starts from kingdom and ends by species. Now coming to one more. Family, a group of related genera with considerable number of similarities but lesser than genus and species. Yes. So there will be some similarities in them. Some flower similarity will be there. Seeds will be there in some of the fruits of those or the vegetable of those plants. Flower similarity or color of the flower or anything leaf similarity. So there are different similarities between the families. They come under one family only. Okay, they come under one family only. Like how a mammal, one family. Okay, mammal, all the mammals will come in one family. Egg-laying animals, one family. So this is how we separate them. Okay, this is how we separate them. Now coming to this, there are different families. Okay, Apocynaceae family are there. Then Rubiaceae family is there. There are different other families which we have grouped these plants into. Okay, which we have grouped these plants and also animals into. So we'll know each family here. So in plants, first coming to in plants, families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative reproductive features. Not only the reproductive features are taken, but also vegetative features. Okay, vegetative features are taken. For example, we'll start with the first genera or the first genus, that is Solanum. Solanum is nothing but in that family there's brinjal, potato, tomato. These all plants are included. Okay, these all plants are included in this genus, Solanum genus. Okay, in this genus, these all plants are included. So what happens here when we are characterizing families, we see both vegetative characteristics and also reproductive characteristics. Okay, Petunia and Datura are placed in the family Solanaceae. Okay, genus Solanum, family Solanaceae. Okay, we usually write AC this part. Okay, the suffix part of the family is always like this. The suffix part will be always this. It ends by ACEAE. Okay, families will always end by ACEAE. So what happens here? The genus Solanum. Okay, it comes under genus Solanum and are placed in the family Solanaceae. Are placed in the family Solanaceae. Why both are placed in the same family? Because of their reproductive and vegetative features. Both have one. Both the plants have the bell-like flowers. Okay, they have got bell-like flowers in them, so they are both placed in one family, that is Solanaceae. Okay, placed in one family, Solanaceae, and all the families end with this suffix, that is ACEAE. Okay, it ends with ACEAE. So which family it is? Solanaceae. The families are characterized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive features. Now coming to the next example. Animals, for example, genus Panthera, comprising lion, tiger, leopard, is put along with the genus Felis, okay, cats, in the family Felidae. Now, here also there is an exception. Okay, here also there is an exception. So here what we do usually in the animals, it ends with AE, whereas here it always ends with family name. Here is ACEAE. Okay. So among animals, for example, genus Panthera comprising lion, tiger, leopard is put along with genus Felis, that is cats, in the family Felidae. Cats and dogs, on the other hand, are placed in different families, is that Felidae and Cancidae, respectively, but same order. Okay, they are put into the different families, cats and dogs, but they have got same order. Okay, there is order, right? Family order, there is a hierarchy, family order. They are put into a same order but different families. Okay, different families. And these animals come under the genus Panthera, comprising lion, tiger, leopard, is put along with the genus Felis. Okay, is put along with the genus Felis in the family Felidae. They all come under one family, Felidae. Okay, but cats and dogs are in different are in yes, are in different families but same order. Different families and same order. So there is a difference. Here what happens here is taking the in plants what happens, taking both vegetative and reproductive features, they are put into one family. Okay. One family. Okay. So what happens here is Solanum, Petunia and Datura are placed in the same family. Okay. They are placed in the same family with different genus. Okay. They are placed into same family with different genus. Okay, same family but different genus. Here what happens here is, here the genus Panthera comprising lion, tiger, leopard is put along with the genus Felis, that is cats family, in the family Felidae. Okay, and cats and dogs are in different families, Felidae and Cancidae, but having a same order. They will have a same order. So this is how they are segregated. Okay, this is how they are segregated. So now once again we will just have a discussion about the family. So why I'm saying you this? So for example, now I have taken three different genera, right? That is one is Solanum, one is Solanum, one genus. Solanum, one genus. Petunia, another genus. Datura, another genus. Different genus, but comes under same family. Comes under same family. Here what happens? These are having different genus. Felis one genus, Panthera one genus. Okay, but comes under same family. When you write lion, which family it belongs to? Felidae. But genus Panthera. Cats, genus is Felis, but comes under the family Felidae. Okay, both are together. Okay, both are together. Here what happens here is placed in a different families. These both are placed under different families, cats and dogs. Cats Felidae, dogs Cancidae, but they have a same order. Okay, they have a same order. So why I'm saying you this, why it is important is because when you write, okay, about this kingdom, which is a kingdom, kingdom Animalia. This will study further, kingdom Animalia. Next is kingdom, family, order, then genus, species. Okay. After kingdom, phylum or division. Here it is in Animalia, phylum. So which it is, final division of that particular thing. So these all things you have to write down. If I ask you, write the order of the write the order of brinjal, write the order of tomato, write the order of lion. So this is how you have to write family, order, genus, species. Okay, so this is how it has to be written. Okay, this is how it has to be written. So you will know more about that. Okay, how it has to be written, how the things like how it has to be placed properly. But before that, just you have to know the idea. Okay, know the idea that on what basis the whole segregation is done. So until now we have now today studied about the genus. So different type of genus, then species, genus. Then what happens here? How the species are included in genus? One genus will have different the species, one or more species. Okay. So here different type of like one the Solanum genus will have Tuberosum, Lycopersicum, Melongena, different species. Okay, so here even though in family what happens is different genera or different genus or this organisms plants are put into one family. Okay, that is Solanaceae here. So they are even if they have different genus, they are put into same family. Okay. Next, what happens here is same in the animals as well with their different this characteristics. Even if they have different genera, they are put into a different genus. They are put into same family, or they will at least they will have a same order. So this is what we have learned for today. If there are any doubts, to ask me personally or in the next class, you can ask me. So thank you, students.